Hi everyone, welcome to all guide. Do you want to know about return plate reviews? So here we are going to update the unbiased reviews. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, if you have not received your product and got the damaged product, then watch this video till the end. I will say the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us. The people from United States are curious about this site. Guys, this is a e-commerce site. You can see they have multiple product type. You can see. Now check the payment mode. They have multiple payment type like PayPal, Visa, Maestro, Mastercard, American Express. Now check the shipping policy. Guys, this is a shipping policy page. Now click here. Guys, you can see processing time 72 hours and delivery time 12 to 25 days. But before going further, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Now let's talk about legitimacy factor and judge this website as a scam or legit website. It is thought HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign. Now check the domain age. The domain name was created on 6 December 2024 and will be expire on 6 December 2025. This is a new site, which is a bad sign. Now check the about us section. Guys, this is a about us page. Now click here. Guys, you can see some detail of the company and you can check out more for information here. Now check the contact section. Guys, this is a contact page. Now click here. Guys, they have provided contact details like mail id. Mail id matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. Guys, now check the social media presence. The website has no social media presence, which is a bad sign. Now check the return policy page. Guys, this is a return policy page. Now click here. Guys, you can see if you are not satisfied with your purchase and wish to return it, please contact us by email. Undamaged or non-defective product can be returned for a refund within 30 days from the date of purchase. And you can see other details. How long does the return process take? It may take up to 7 business days from the date we receive your return to process the return. Once your return has been processed, we will send you an email confirmation. When will I receive my refund? Or refund will be credited to your original payment method, and PayPal order generally take 3 to 5 business days. If you paid with a credit or debit card, refund would be sent to the issues bank within 3 to 15 business days of receiving the return of cancellation request. Guys, do comments about your experience in refund or return of the product. Guys, now talking about resistant plate reviews. Guys, this site seems to be not much popular online. The website has too low traffic or none at all. The trust index score of this site is 1% and its trust score is very low, which is a bad sign. We have not found any reviews. In the conclusion, the website appears to be potential scam site because this is a new site and trust score is 1% and we have not found any reviews yet, but make a right conclusion on the basis of research. For return issue or refund issue, check our description area. There you will find the links through which you can solve your money issues and find answer to your queries step by step. If this review is helpful for you, then do comments your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. That is all for this video. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.